Hey guys, welcome to KE. This is Eddie at KE Kitchen Cabinet. I'm the product consultant. This video I will show you how our cabinetry factory working.
Hi, I'm Jeff, the sales consultant at KE. Hey Eddie, would you like to show us the warehouse and the raw materials for production?
Okay. First step, when we get the project from our client, I will ask our designer to finish all the drawing. After the drawing is confirmed with our client, the first step we will prepare all the material here. Prepare all the material and keep stored in our warehouse, and then waiting for the next step, the panel cutting, etching, and drilling. Okay?
Okay, I see. So, these are the particle boards for carcass. It's very economic and durable. These are the MDF boards for door panels.
Okay. And some of our clients will need the plywood for the carcass. So different projects, they need a different material from different cabinet. Okay, these two machines for the panel cutting, and we use the electronic sorting for the panel cutting. Look.
After cutting, the next procedure is edge branding. 1 mm PVC for the cabinet. And this is the cold high pressure machine. It's for attaching laminate and wood veneer on the door panel.
Okay, now this machine is for the drilling. For the drilling, all the screw hole on the cabinet and the door, we will drill all the hole by this machine. This is one machine, and this two. Okay. In this machine, we can drilling all the hole on the panel 5 sides. Okay, can you see the hole? The hole drilling. The hole drilling here is by this machine. These two machines. Okay, in this workshop, we do the 2-pack door panel. The first step, our door panel will go to this room. This room for the base painting. For the base painting, it means the first coating. Our worker will do the first coating on the door panel in this room. After the first coating is drying, our worker will take the door panel in this room for the sanding. Now our worker is doing the sanding on the surface. And this lady, they do the polishing on the J handle. Look, this is the J handle. Can you see the J handle? It's polishing J handle here to make it smooth enough for the last top coating. And this worker, they do the polishing on the etching to make sure the etching is smooth enough. Then go to the last step, do the top coating. Okay, after the first coating, after the sanding, and then we go to the painting room for the top coating. Worker is doing the top coating now. Okay, after finish the top coating, our worker will put all the door panel into this room, the drying room, and then waiting for the door panel finish the drying, and then go to the last step. Okay. Once door panel is after drying, and the door panel will go to this room for polishing and waxing. Our worker is doing the polishing now. After the polishing, we will go to the waxing. Go to the waxing. Then this is the final product. Okay, Jeff. In this room, I can see many final products. Would you mind introduce what the worker will do in this room?
Well, Eddie, this room is generally for inspection before mass production. So we will check the quality, the structure, if it's enough to meet our client's need. And generally it's quality control, okay, according to the contract.
Okay. So this room, do you mean this room is for the quality control before the mass production? In this room, does the worker do any other thing?
Yes. Also for packaging, okay, our workers here will pack these final products like this in a box, okay, to ensure that our cabinets arrive to your country safe.
Okay, this is the flat pad. This is flat pad, And that is already assembled. Okay, and this is the vanity for the American market. We use the wood veneer for the full cabinet. Not only the door, but also the cabinet. We use the wood veneer. And we use the undermount drawer slider in order to save the coat. These two sides we use the ball bearing. Because these two sides is not very important, all is matched with our client's requirement. And the other drawer slider will be the undermount soft closing. Okay, so that's it. Because now we are still waiting for the worker to assemble all the drawer box and the door panel. Later, once the final product is ready, I will send you more and more images. And for our other client, we also need to make the sample before our client start the order. After the sample is ready, we will DHL to our client's office or company. After get the approval, we will start the mass production. Okay. Okay, this fitting is almost done. So you need any more information about KE, please contact me or contact Jeff. And once the COVID is done, I hope you can take your time to fix our factory. At that moment, I think we can display more and more about our product and about our manufacturing schedule to you. Okay?
Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.